So I'm on the third part. So I'm basically creating a light shade on the bottom part, actually a dark shade on the bottom part. I'm using the 113, and now for the rest I'm using the 111. I'm gonna be using those two colors, and now I'm blending everything with Meltz. Now I'm using the 113 on the top, and blend as well. Now I'm using the 111 in the rest. I'm just darkening a few parts with the 113 on top of the melts. And don't forget, after you use melts, you have to wait to dry, otherwise it could ruin your painting. On the detail, I'm basically using making a line with the 113. Now I'm using the melts to melt everything. I love using melts for everything that it's metal or everything that it's clear, like glass. Like eyes as well. Now I create a line with a deeper shade, the 186. Right after the black line, I'm using the 111, and right after I'm doing another line with the 113. I'm just darkening a few areas now. And after I finish everything, I'm gonna use a Prisma color in white to bring a little bit of light to the car. Now I'm using the 186 to create the detail on the car as well. I'm doing a line. This is like a brownish orange. Now I'm using the white to give like this beautiful light to the car.